Hi and welcome back to Liana's Kitchen. In this video, I'm making a tasty pork casserole in the slow cooker. There is minimal preparation and all you need to do is simply add everything to the slow cooker and set it off. And the ingredients can be adjusted depending on what vegetables you have available. Today, I'm using these ingredients: pork shoulder, mustard, leek and carrots, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, onion, garlic, bay leaves and dried herbs. You can buy pork that has already been diced, or you can chop it up yourself with a sharp knife. Pork shoulder is a cheaper cut that's perfect for slow cooking because it stays juicy and becomes beautifully tender when cooked at a low temperature for a long period of time. It's very forgiving and it absorbs flavour really well. Prepare the vegetables by roughly cutting them so that they are of a similar size. There's no need to peel the carrots unless you prefer to. Just wash and chop. There are plenty of other alternative vegetables that you could add to this recipe, such as celery, parsnip, swede. In fact, I sometimes add new potatoes so that it is a one-pot meal. But today I have plans to have this with some cheesy mashed potato, which happens to be one of my favourites. Next, prepare the vegetable stock. I usually add a stock pot or some powder to just 150 millilitres of hot water. You don't really want to add any more than this, as there will be plenty of liquid released from the pork and vegetables during the slow cooking time. I don't sear the pork before adding it to the slow cooker. I prefer to add everything raw where possible to save on time. So add all the ingredients directly to the slow cooker: the pork, vegetables, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, herbs, bay leaves, crushed garlic, and then optionally some mustard. Finally, add in the vegetable stock. Then gently stir everything together and put the lid on the slow cooker. Set it off on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 5 hours. Before we check on the final results, did you know you can also find this recipe on my blog, Liana's Kitchen? Although the recipe is written in the description down below, you can also print it off directly from my website, as well as find plenty of other easy slow cooker recipes. About 20 minutes before you're ready to eat, you can check on it to see if it needs thickening up. If it does, leave it to cook on high for the remaining time and leave the lid off. Or alternatively, you can wait to the end and use corn flour or some gravy granules if you think it needs thickening up. And that's all there is to it. A simple pork casserole recipe for the slow cooker. If you end up making this recipe, please do let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.